drive and take a look at the 2004 ES330. The Lexus ES330 may be the smoothest, quietest car in its class. Its supple suspension gives it a smooth ride on rough city streets, beat-up freeways, and poorly maintained back roads, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, rear defrost. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.